10 haunted places in India you need to avoid. While some feel an adrenaline rush exploring haunted places, others prefer to stay away. This abandoned town in Rajasthan, home to a majestic fort, is reported to be one of the most haunted places in India. Bhanga and its ruins are closed to visitors from sunset to sunrise, reportedly the time with the highest paranormal activity on the premises. According to one of the tales about Bhanga, a tantric priest fell in love with the princess Ratnavati, who was described as the jewel of Rajasthan. Those who have dared to stay in the fort overnight have reported hearing footsteps and the screeching of a woman. Bhanga Haunted Fort, Jigad, India. Copyright Jatin Rajput/Shutterstock. By day, this is one of the most beautiful spots in Delhi, but by night it's a different story. It is said that the road leading through Delhi cantonment has a notorious, ghostly hitchhiker who walks around aimlessly, clad all in white, waving for passers-by to stop their cars. And those who don't stop have claimed that the woman runs parallel to their window, matching the car's speed until they reach the border of Delhi cantonment. This black sand beach in Gujarat was once an important Hindu cremation ground, and it is this history that gives it an airy edge. The cheery morning atmosphere fades with the setting sun, and by night local people avoid Duma Beach as much as possible. From spooky shrieks to whispers, people have reportedly heard haunting sounds coming from Duma, said to be the spirits of tormented souls. Some attribute the black sand to the ashes of burned corpses and, on top of all that, nearby dogs are said to bark throughout the night, sensing a paranormal presence. Everything about the Duma Beach makes it the last place you would want to be at night. Now a major shooting location for Bollywood films, several stars and crew members have claimed to be witness to paranormal activity in certain areas of the mill. The story of this haunted hotel began in 1911. Guests have claimed to have seen Miss Garnet Holmes' ghost roaming around the hotel and heard the echoes of her footsteps. One of the largest film complexes in India, Ramoji Film Studio is also said to be home to various spirits that roam around the grounds and the hotels in the area. Built on a battlefield, Ramoji is supposedly surrounded by the spirits of the dead soldiers that are still active on the field. Odd marks on the mirrors, props and crew members falling to the ground in unexplained circumstances and phantom food being scattered around are just some of the common occurrences reported in the studio. Entrance of Ramoji Film City, India. Copyright Joe Ravi/Shutterstock. Located in Lonavala, one of the most popular weekend getaways for Paneer residents, Raj Kiran Hotel may be small, but it is full of intrigue. Huge forts at night are scary anyway, but Shinawada is something else entirely. Screams for help from a young boy are said to be heard by night. Shinawada Fort, India. Copyright J_Sociopath/Shutterstock. One of the first high-rise buildings in Mumbai, the Grand Pauri Towers is infamous for the number of suicides that have taken place here. The total is close to 20. There is a particular apartment on the 8th floor of the building that remains sealed, as many at Grand Pauri believe it is still home to the spirits of deceased residents who refuse to move on. Random knocks on the door, sounds of footsteps in unexpected places, at unexpected times, and spine-chilling screams have led to the need for constant counseling sessions for the current Grand Pauri inhabitants.